welcome back everybody to Ladybug Lane Soaps. All right, today I'm gonna be making a fun little soap. It involves a cat and a heart mold. And first time I have done this, but I have a lot of friends who have cats, and so I thought, hey, that'd be kind of fun. So anyway, so here is the heart mold, and I don't know if you can see this fairly well. Get up on my stool here. Oh, where'd it go? There it is. So that's a little kitty cat. Alrighty, so that's going to be that. Okay, so I already have the kaolin clay in here. And the oils are at about 80, 84. And the lye solution, about 78, 79. And the fragrance oil I'm using today is the Cucumber and Melons by Nature's Garden. So let's get this guy over here. Alrighty, got that. Alright, let's get this. And I have my sodium lactate already in the lye solution. Alrighty. Why is that thickening up already on me? That should not be doing that. So that was about a 1.5 to 1 water to lye ratio, which pretty good. Let's hope that thins it out instead of thickens it up. Oh. Thank you, dear. Was the door closed? Oh. Okay. All right. And this is pre-mixed titanium dioxide. Made a mess. All right, welcome back to the cut. So this is the cucumber and melons, and I had put the cat and the heart flush up against one end, and I think it was this other end over here. So let's turn it around. So I did cut it, you know, that little end off, so you can see the heart there, but I have a feeling that with the cat being white and the batter kind of being on the white side. Okay, let's turn it around. Can you see any cat? Okay, you could just see a little bit of the cat there. Let's just keep on going here. Well, practice, practice. All right, gang, that's it. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.